and welcome to my solo vlog, I guess it is. So I'm away with work in Ilkley, which is in like West Yorkshire near Leeds, and I am staying at the Bistro Pierre rooms in the Crescent Inn Hotel. So I just thought I'd show you this apartment, which is incredible because it was a last minute booking. It was £150 for a night. But you know, if you're looking for like an incredible night away with your partner or even family, then this is such an amazing place to come and stay. So I wanted to give you a little room tour and let you see what there is to offer. So I'm staying in the Ilkley room, and you have these little stairs to come up. But it is like a little apartment, and it's honestly incredible. So you've got like a kitchenette there. Say kitchenette, it's like a main kitchen. It's bigger than my kitchen. So you've got a kitchen here as you walk in, like a hob, an oven. You've got plenty of storage space. Got Bistro Pierre mugs, a microwave, and you've got like an espresso machine, which sink as well. I don't know if it comes with Nespresso pods. Oh yeah, it does. Comes with Nespresso pods and tea, biscuits. It even comes with washing up liquid. How amazing is that? You get like free sparkling and spring water. Fridge, what's in here? It's empty. But you know, if you're staying like for a couple of nights and you don't want to eat in the restaurant, it's got ice cubes there. If you don't want to eat in the restaurant, then this is like a perfect space to stay. Then going in to the lounge area here. This is really nice. Let's go to test the sofas. Oh yeah, I like that. It's a good sofa, very comfy. You got a little sort of vanity area. I don't know if this is like a second vanity area, but you've got a vanity area here. And then you've got some cupboard spacing. I mean, there's that much spacing anyway. I don't know what you need it for. But yes, TV, another sofa there, which is a pull-out bed as well. So this room does sleep 5. It states on the website, so that is a pull-out bed as well. You've got a nice little view of the town road. It's like one of the main streets. And going back this way, oh, I don't know what this is. Let's have a look. Oh, you've got another toilet. So you've got a toilet here. I think we've got one in our, like the bedroom as well. So this is the master bedroom. Got some like wardrobe space, TV, the bed. I'm going to test the bed. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's comfy. It's very comfy. I'm going to sleep very well tonight. And then like just at the side of the bed, you've got the door here, which leads to the bathroom. Hey! And then you've got like a lovely shower. Very nice, very clean. And then in here, you've got a toilet as well. So all in all, this is a fantastic like little room. So £150 per night for this room. It's an absolute bargain. So yeah, I mean, it's got everything you want. It's got so much space. You won't be living on top of each other. You know, like when you get hotel rooms and they say they sleep 5 and you've got 2 double beds in one room, you know, it gets a little bit cramped for space. But I mean, this, you've got so much room. So absolutely incredible. Love it. So I woke up this morning and honestly I can say I had the best night's sleep ever. So they've got like a memory foam mattress topper. I don't know if the mattress is a memory foam one as well, but you just literally sunk into the bed and the quilt and the pillows were so fluffy. So it was just, oh, it was so nice waking up this morning and it was just so nice waking up this morning and feeling really refreshed. So I had a night away from Francesca, and I love Francesca to bits, and I don't mind waking up in the night now and again with her. But to have like an uninterrupted sleep, it was just yeah, it was just amazing, and I really needed that. So yeah, had a shower is fabulous. It is like really powerful. You know, one of those showers, you know, you go to some hotels and the showers are like powerless. Well, this one is powerful, and you've got like a rainforest shower option as well, so you've got the two options there. So yeah, it was just a really nice stay here, and I would 100% recommend it. But I'm going to show you obviously some of the things downstairs, like the breakfast, so you can see what's on offer. So some of the things I forgot to show you is they've got cutlery, utensils obviously for the cooking, bottle openers. They've got all your plates and bowls, more plates. They've got an iron in here, chopping board, all your pots and pans that you need. Oh, they've even got a dishwasher. Look at that. Incredible. And then I just thought it's best to show you kind of what's in all the cupboards. So you've got some bleach and cleaning products in there. You've got dishwasher tablets as well. Oh my god, you've got a washing machine. Why didn't I bring my washing? I could have just done it. It would have been so much easier. Amazing. And then yeah, I showed you the fridge and the freezer yesterday. But yeah, they've got absolutely everything. So what I've got in this cupboard, so I said last night that obviously this room sleeps 5 people. So I came into this cupboard where my coat was, and I've only just realised, because it was quite late last night, is they've got a pull-out bed here. So that's an extra person. I'm guessing they'll set that up before they'll kind of like put the bedding on there for you. But you've got a single bed here, and you've also got a cot. It's like a pack and play cot at the back there. I think that's really like handy, because if you've got a baby, a lot of the time you tend to have to bring your own cot. So it's nice that they kind of provide them here, as well as obviously like a single bed. I thought both of these sofas here in the living room pull out, but actually I think it's just the main one in front of the TV that pulls out, and you obviously fit like a single bed in this enormous apartment. I'm sure you'll find somewhere to put a spare bed. So yeah, it's got absolutely everything you need. And on average, I've kind of seen that, you know, some nights it's on at 150, some nights even a little bit cheaper. So it's worth looking at the deals that they've got and staying in this beautiful apartment right in the heart of Ilkley. There's so much to do in Ilkley. So we've got Betty's Tea Room, which I'm going to be taking you to later, let you see that. You've got all the shops, you've got like all the beautiful countryside. You're right in the middle of Yorkshire here. So yeah, it's such a lovely place to stay. And so as you come out of the Ilkley suites, you've got like this area here. What I've been told is this lift does go down to help Bistro. It does go down, but it leaves you like at the back of Bistro, because apparently there's apartments at the top. So you best, if you can use the stairs, you best to go this way. Just because it's more convenient. And then you've got this beautiful staircase which leads down to the restaurant and the pub. It's quite good because you've got quite a few people that have stopped here. So you've got Alan Titchmarsh, here's to you, Bistro Pierre, Alistair Campbell, Jill Cooper, oh, it's like people that are from around here, I think. So yeah. And the restaurant is literally at the bottom of the stairs where you go for breakfast. That's where you check in. So yeah, let's go for breakfast. Gone for the eggs Benedict. Okay, so this is where you check in to your rooms, just here. And then this is the main restaurant area where you come for breakfast. So I've just had my breakfast, but I just wanted to give you a little tour of the rooms, well, of the restaurant, because it's quite empty at the minute. So I've not gone to explore Ilkley yet, so I thought I'd give you a little tour of the restaurant, which is quite nice. It's literally empty. I'm in between like the breakfast and the lunch service, so there's no one in here, which is perfect for me that's videoing. So yeah, it's a very nice restaurant. There is actually a car park as well at the back of the restaurant. I think it's only for the people that stay in the apartments like what I stayed in, but they've got like loads of little like cute shops. I'll show you at the back here. So you can see there's like loads of little shops along here, which is really cute, and the bistro car parking spaces are just there. So yeah, dead handy. So I've just taken a wander out. The hotel's just like there, and then you've got this little street where you've got like normal shops, but then yeah, we'll have a look what there is. So if you look at the map in Ilkley, you'll see there's actually quite a lot to do. So you've got the Lido, you've got a lot of walk around here, so Cow and Calf Rocks, the old bridge. So it's nice, they've got like a couple of standard shops that most places do. I think this is like the main strip down here where you're going to find Betty's. So gonna have a look at that. Good charity shops as well if you like your charity shopping. There's quite a few of those around. So yeah, it's a lovely little little town in Yorkshire. Definitely recommend it. But let's go and have a look at Betty's. It's got a little area there. We can have a sit down and a coffee. It's beautiful. And here is Betty's. So I think you have to queue to be seated into the tea room, but you can actually just get in. So yeah, we'll have a look. So I've literally just been to Betty's and I've bought a shortcake and a bumblebee brownie cupcake. So I'm looking forward to trying those. This is like literally the only street of shopping, and the one where Bistro is. There's not many shops at all, but yeah, just done a bit of charity shopping. So when you come into Bistro Pierre, they have a pub, the Crescent Inn. So they're holding a recruitment day today, so it's quite empty in this part, but this is the pub area, and they do pub food here. So it looks like they've got like daily specials. So Tuesday pint a pint 15, Wednesday burgers for 20 quid, 2 burgers sorry, and Friday fish and chips 15 quid with a pint. So it looks like they've got some really good offers on, some really good choices if you like your beer as well. We are in Yorkshire, so obviously they're offering some good local, looks like local beers up here. So yeah, this is the pub area, and it does look very nice. I think I might have to go for the fish and chips later. So here is the menu. Here we go. So I have ordered the fish and chips, which was $14.95, and this is it. Looking very good. And this is in the pub area, the Crescent Inn. But yeah, looking nice. So I'm back from my stay in Ilkley now. I have been home for a day or so, and I forgot to do an going out video, so I just thought I'd jump on and say what a fantastic time I had away there. I think there's towns near Ilkley, which are probably a bit more suitable for if you want things to do, like Harrogate for example, or Leeds as well. But Ilkley was such a lovely little town to stay in, and it was ideal for me for working in the local area, and obviously wanting to stay at the Crescent Inn Hotel, hearing good things about it. So I would recommend going there, even if it is just to stay in Ilkley and then travel around elsewhere in that local area. Harrogate isn't too far, it's only about a 20-30 minute drive, I believe. So, you know, you could stay in Ilkley and then travel to other areas for your walking and things like that. So yeah, all in all, fantastic trip. I definitely recommend staying at the Crescent Inn, and I definitely 100% recommend going to Betty's tea room. The food, Jordan said that the brownie was delicious, he loved it. He gave that a 9 out of 10. He very rarely gives 10 out of 10. And Francesca ate all of her shortbread, so she definitely liked hers. I think she'd give it a 10 out of 10 if she could. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be going on more adventures very soon. See ya!